Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly zoom in and out of projects over at Canva. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Canva account as an administrator. So as you can see, I have a project pulled up right here, and obviously for the purpose of this video, this is just a dummy project. But the idea is you want to open the project that you want to work on or make changes to. So I have this one right here, as you can see. So if I were to zoom in and out, honestly, the easiest way without having to do anything complex is to refer to this slider right here. So if you guys watch closely, you can see that I can zoom in and out of projects and see like the tiny changes that I've made to each slide. And honestly, that's all there is to it. So you can see that I'm just adjusting the slider, zooming in and out as I please. And you can do the same for the others as well. And it's really that simple. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.